Okay, so to find the sum of the first 8 terms of each series, these are geometric series because we see it's multiplying by 3 and then multiplying by 3 to get the numbers, but in turn we want to turn around and add them together. So we're using this information here where we have the first term and a certain common ratio. So if it's the first 8 terms, again, I want to use the fact that I'm using the first term in the series. So in this case here, the first term is a 5. And I'm going to multiply that by 1 minus the common ratio, which is what I'm multiplying by, to the n power. The common ratio in this case we said is 3, and the power is 8. I want to find the first 8 terms. So 3 to the 8th power, that's going to be big. And I want to divide it by 1 minus 3. So I'm going to divide by a negative 2. Okay, so 1 minus 3 raised to the 8th power, 6,560. Okay, so this is 5 times 6,000, negative 6560, divided by negative 2. All right, if I do that, times 5, divided by...
Daddy, I did it!
Congratulations, that's awesome. He just finished the proof for the quadratic formula. I'm so proud of him. That's 16,000.
He's doing a video game.
Okay, well, you sold me out, didn't you? Okay.
I knew it.
Now this one here, just so that we know, we're multiplying by negative 1. And if you add the first 8 terms, you look at the first 2 cancel out, the next 2 cancel each other out. So we pretty much know that this is going to be 0, if you think about it. But if you go through the process, the first term is 3. The next term is 1 minus the common ratio of negative 1 raised to the 8th power, all over 1 minus negative 1. Okay, so this is, again, 3, but it is, hold on, 1 minus 1 over, this becomes a 2. That's a 0, times 3 is 0, divided by 2, still 0. For some reason, I'm compelled to stop recording now.